From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 24th. Well, taking a look at the medium range period, our pattern here during the last week of August looks very typical of the end of summer. There will be a near daily chance of showers and thunderstorms, but overall the weather is going to be very seasonable for this time of the year. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the Canadian model for 2 p.m. on Thursday. And what you'll notice here is that we do have this fetch of southerly flow on the backside of that large high pressure system. It's going to be over us on Wednesday. That'll shift into the western Atlantic on Thursday, and that southerly flow will draw moisture back up from the Gulf and the western Atlantic. So expect some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. I don't have it contoured here, but there is also a cold front that's going to be sweeping through the Great Lakes region and southeastern Canada on Thursday. That will also be another feature that will trigger additional showers and thunderstorms on Friday. However, that front and most of the energy associated with it are going to stay north of Pennsylvania, so I do expect any additional showers and storms on Friday to be highly isolated. I think Thursday is the day with more coverage, though I don't anticipate any severe weather either day. I just expect frequent lightning and torrential downpours from the worst storms, but other than that, I don't really see any threat for wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, even in the most intense storms either afternoon. But overall, you can expect partly to mostly cloudy skies both days. It will be more humid as well with that southerly flow out ahead of the front, so dew points will be back up between 65 and 70 degrees later Thursday and still again on Friday. High temperatures will be quite seasonable for late August and in the low to mid 80s. As we move forward then into Saturday, that cold front does essentially sweep through the Canadian Maritimes. What's left of it does push through southeastern PA and northern Maryland. We really won't notice a change in the air mass behind it on Saturday. In fact, there will be this high pressure system that's settling into the northeast. But overall, I still think dew points will be in the 60s on Saturday. They may come down a few degrees from what they were on Friday. So expect a moderately humid and rather warm start to the weekend, but really nothing out of the ordinary by late August standards. High temperatures on Saturday should be in the mid 80s under partly to mostly sunny skies. The Canadian and the European models are in good agreement here. As we move forward then into Sunday, the Canadian suggests that high pressure system still stays over PA. If that's the case, then Sunday's weather would essentially be identical to Saturday. The European model shows that high pressure system shift a little bit farther south and east, so there is a return southerly flow again by Sunday, but I would take this with a grain of salt, the fact that you see some showers and storms here over southeastern PA. I really expect most of the weekend, if not all of it, to remain dry. And like I said, seasonably warm and still rather humid for this time of the year, but again, not out of the ordinary at all for the last weekend of August. So get outside and enjoy. I don't think you'll really have to move any outdoor plans inside throughout the entire weekend, so it should be a great weekend for outdoor activities. As we take a look at the medium range campus weather service forecast, more humid on Thursday with clouds, some sun and scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 84. Partly sunny, warm and muggy on Friday with perhaps an isolated shower or storm around, high again 84. Warm and muggy both Saturday and Sunday. Mix of clouds and sun on Saturday, partly sunny on Sunday. Highs both days again in the mid 80s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the medium range forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the mostly sunny and pretty nice weekend ahead and stay dry out there Thursday and Friday.